Let's talk demos and deals and all the fun stuff for car shoppers out there that are always searching for that deal. These are not the type of videos that I love to make, right? I'd rather be doing something hopefully educational, entertaining, but sometimes you have cars that have aged, and then that means you got to crank up the volume and get them out the door. And so that is what this video is all about today, showing you some of the inventory that we have that is like just an opportunity for those that are looking for the opportunity. So we'll take a little walk, see what we can come across. Right behind me is exhibit number 1. I made a video just the other day about we had 5 2025 GLC 63s remaining. 3 of them are gone, 2 remain. This is one of the remaining 63 coupes. Now, for those of you that say, no way, I'm not driving a 4-cylinder, I would direct you to Mercedes-Benz of Calgary's YouTube channel, where they drag raced the GLC 63 SE Performance against just about everything that you can think of, including GLE 63s, X6Ms, X4Ms, X3Ms, even a Lamborghini Aventador. And I think you would be absolutely shocked to know that this car is insanely fast, and the Aventador was the only thing that beat it, and it needed the full quarter mile to beat it. So sure, it's not a V8 and it won't sound like the old one, but it absolutely annihilates that old car. So a couple of other opportunities. This right here is a 2025 SL63. This is a brass hat, which means that it was a Mercedes-Benz corporate demo. It is black with the black wheels. It has the sage gray interior, which sage gray is kind of a greenish gray. One of my absolute favorite colors, actually. Very subtle, but very cool. This has about 400 miles on it, and if you're looking for a convertible that is an absolute steal of a deal, I will point you in that direction. Now, some of the other things, we also have a GLC 43 SUV left over. That is Alpine Gray, and I didn't show you that one. That's not the 63, but it actually, if you're just chasing a monthly payment, that is better than the 63 from a payment perspective. But I've got a handful of 2025 brass hat GLSs that I want to talk to you about, because if you're in the market for a 3-row SUV and you're looking for that deal, well, this is the car, and I have a few of these. So this white one here, this is a non-AMG line white with beige interior. I have a couple just like this one, and if you don't mind the non-AMG performance package, you can see this one here. You can tell it has the black fender flares, and right next to it is a car with AMG line. You have body colored fender flares. If that doesn't bother you, if you don't care, and also no running boards, which depending on how easy it is for you to get in and out of the car, you may care, you may not. But if you're looking for the GLS, these are fantastic deals. This one is a brass hat, and the one right behind it in silver with AMG line is also a brass hat. I have a couple of these, and these are just fantastic deals. There's really, I'm not going to overcomplicate it. That's just the reality of it. These are fantastic opportunities. Black interior on the GLS in silver. A couple more to consider there. So what else is cool? Well, those are the deal cars. 2025 GLSs, 2025 GLC 63s, a 2025 GLC 43. There's a few other 2025s, and why am I talking about them now? Well, April for many of these vehicles is the last month that they are considered a new car. And what that means is, when I say considered a new car, that is in the eyes of Mercedes-Benz for the purposes of programs. So to qualify for new car programs, you have to be kind of within a certain age, and right now there's programs for leasing, there's special financing through Mercedes-Benz Financial if you'd prefer to finance. But if they remain unsold after this month, then they become used cars, and they lose incentives, they lose the ability to be leased, they lose the ability to qualify for special financing rates. So they would still be new in the sense that they've never been titled. However, they would not be new in the eyes of Mercedes-Benz from a program perspective, which means that your ability to lease and capture that special financing would go away. So just wanted to put a little bit of commentary on what I meant by that. Other than that, we've got an amazing inventory as we always do. Sealy 53 AMG season is here in full swing. Coupes, convertibles, all of the above. And for those that have been waiting, it sounds like a Sealy 63 will finally be coming to the States sometime next year, I hope. But if you're interested in pursuing any of these, my team and I would love to help. Go to the link in the bio, work with Doug and team, and we'll make it the easiest car that you've ever bought, and that's a promise.